Hello, this is how we Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. Indeed, I'm going to show you how you can put a password into a WhatsApp backup. In this case, if you have a fear, if somebody steals your data from your WhatsApp account, your backup, how you can prevent that stealing. I'm showing you this one in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, S23 or any other version of Samsung phone. Process would be similar. So go to your WhatsApp Messenger, go inside in your WhatsApp Messenger. Here we go. Now you have to go here at the setting, these three buttons, click this one, go inside setting option. Here we go. In setting option, you have many options. You see account, privacy, avatar, chat. So here we go. We have to go to this option. It's called chat. Go inside. In chat, you have here bottom chat backups. Is this one? So in chat backup at the bottom, you can see in Android device end-to-end encrypted backup is off now. I hit on. You see turn on backup 12 GB including 12 GB of media. I hit turn on backup. End-to-end backup protected and create a password option. I hit this one and now I have to put a password that I should not forget. After typing twice, hit next button here. You see create button, hit this one, enabling. So backup message and everything encrypted, it will be with the password. Now let's see, 100% is done. Backing up is almost there. So you can see here bottom end-to-end encrypted backup is done. So this is the way you can secure your backup of WhatsApp Messenger. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.